Okay, here's our second video on expressions, and we're doing algebraic expressions which have variables, and we're going to be doing subtraction. So again, expressions have terms. We know expressions do not have equal signs. So what do we mean by terms? They're separated by addition and or subtraction. So 5 plus 2, there's two terms, and they're separated by a plus. I could have also used subtraction. 5 minus 3 are two terms separated by subtraction. Could have also used subtraction and addition. 5 minus 3 plus 2, now we have three terms. Again, it's only subtraction or addition. We don't use multiplication and division for terms. And we'll do multiplication and division expressions in another video. And again, they can also be algebraic expressions. 5 minus x is two terms. 5 minus x plus b, for example, would be three terms. Let's review addition before we do subtraction. This says 5 more than a number. Now, since addition is commutative, this could have also been a number more than 5. And I used n, but I could have used x or y or g or any letter. Now again, it's important to know that addition is commutative. So here is subtraction. Subtraction is not commutative. So if I say, for example, 3 minus 2, it's not the same if it was 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 2 will give you different answers. But the key words in subtraction are difference, fewer, less than, take away, and decreased by. So here's 8 take away 2. We know it's subtraction because it says take away. 8 came first, so we said 8 take away 2. We could have also said 8 minus 2. We could have also said the difference between 8 and 2. Here's one with the difference. The difference between 15 and a number. 15 and a number. This is also 15 minus x. Here are some terms. 5 take away 2. 5 minus 2. 5 decreased by 2. The difference between 5 and 2. Notice 5 came first. 5 was first when we said it in the phrase. Here's 5 take away a number. This is an algebraic expression. 5 take away a number. This is 2 take away a number. Or 2 minus a number. Or 2 decreased by a number. Here's a number minus 5. A number take away 5. So again, decreased by, minus, take away, the difference. They're all subtraction terms. However, there's one that we have to be careful with, and it's less than. You notice I didn't use less than yet. If I use a numerical expression, this says 2 less than 8. It doesn't say 8 less than 2. We're saying 2 less than what? The key word here is less than. We're not saying 2 less. That's something else, and I'll explain it in another video. We're saying 2 less than. 2 less than 8. Let's think of it with algebraic expressions. Do you think this is 5 less than a number? Or is it a number less than 5? What do you think? This is saying a number less than, again the key word is less than 5. It's not 5 less than a number. A number less than 5. So the key word here is to look at less than. How would you write this? Again, we can say this is a number minus 12. It's the difference between a number and 12. but it's actually 12 less than a number. If I wrote it like this, it would be a number less than 12. Let me write some more. Let's see if we get this one down, because less than is the most difficult one. This says 5 less than a number. This says a number less than 5. How would you write, or how would you say this? This says a number less than 6. How would you say this? This says 13 less than a number. If I wrote it like this, it would be a number less than 13. So we need to be careful with less than. So again, this would have been a number minus 13, but it's 13 less than a number. This one would be 13 minus a number, but it's a number less than 13. Okay, on our next video, we will deal with multiplication expressions.